can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 48%. Over the last 1 week, Bitcoin has rallied up by 12.5%. Bitcoin is about to get to that $100,000 level. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $99,388. Are we going to see $100,000 for Bitcoin in 2024? Is Bitcoin gearing up for that one final pump to the moon? Right now, there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. This is the highest greed we have seen in the market in quite a while right now. Liquidations in the market are increasing. MicroStrategy buying more Bitcoin. Will that push Bitcoin above $100,000? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. If you want to become a member, link in the description. Let's get down to business. Big pump in the cryptocurrency market. Total crypto market cap has rallied above $3 trillion. Bitcoin accounts for more than $1.96 trillion of that market cap. Bitcoin about to get to the $100,000 level. Bitcoin has surprised a lot of market participants. If you're a bear, if you're a bull, you're singing kumbaya as Bitcoin is pumping higher to the moon. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin has gone from trading below $70,000 this time last month. That's October 22nd. We saw Bitcoin trading around $65,000. Just 30 days later, guys, we have seen Bitcoin rally up by more than 52%. Hitting that $99,000 level. Bitcoin is almost at the $100,000 region. A lot of market participants are paying close attention to Bitcoin hitting the $100,000 level. Two things are going to happen, guys. Is that Bitcoin hits the $100,000 level and we start dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, probably back to $73,000. That was the previous all-time high. We have not seen Bitcoin test that previous all-time highs, or we see Bitcoin just pierce the $100,000 level and continue pumping to the moon. I favor the first option. I think we're going to see Bitcoin head to the $73,000 level. This pump has come very fast. History has shown us over time, anything that goes up very quickly, one of my favorite saying, will dump down to Goblin Town very quickly. And it's not just that we're expecting Bitcoin to dump to Goblin Town, guys. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is getting to the extreme. Right now, there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, there was extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Last week, there was still extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin as close as $100,000 as possible. The $100,000 level has been one level that a lot of market participants have been watching over the years. Finally, we have gotten near $700 towards the $100,000 level. If you take a look at the fear and greed index, over the last 1 month, over the last 2 months, we have seen the fear and greed index go to opposite ends. In August 2024, the 4th of August 2024, there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and by November of 2024, there was already extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. So you can see how the market can flip in both directions in just a short period of time. In the 4th of August, when there was extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin went to $49,000, Ethereum went down to as low as $2,100, Solana was trading at $110. And less than 100 days after that, what has happened? We have seen a huge pump to the moon. We have seen Bitcoin erase all those losses. Some news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. MicroStrategy completes $3 billion raise to buy more Bitcoin as MicroStrategy stock falls 25%. The $3 billion offering of 0% convertible senior notes in part of MicroStrategy's plans to raise $42 billion over the next 3 years, primarily to buy Bitcoin. That's very crazy. We saw Marcelo and MicroStrategy just buying over $4.7 billion worth of Bitcoin last week. We see MicroStrategy stocks hit all-time high, even got to as high as 530. Right now, it's dumping down to Goblin Town. Is that foretelling what will happen to Bitcoin? Only time will tell. BITSANITY record broken with $70 billion in volume for Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. MicroStrategy saw more trading volume than US spot Bitcoin ETF combined as the share tanked over 25% on the 21st of November 2024. We have seen MicroStrategy stock rally crazily over the last 1 week. Even though it's down 25%, guys, MicroStrategy is still up on the weekly. That's how crazy it has pumped. It has outperformed Bitcoin. It has outperformed the stock market. A lot of market participants piling at a very wrong time. And right now, we have seen a pullback. Let's look at the MicroStrategy US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. Just like Bitcoin, MicroStrategy rallied up above where it was trading in March of 2024. That was the resistance level, the $194 level. Some MicroStrategy blasting above it, rallying by 176% in 35 days. Bitcoin only went up 52%. MicroStrategy rallied up by 172%. Right now, we've seen a huge dump. MicroStrategy stock got to as high as $530. We've seen around a 25 to a 30% dump in one day. I will not be shocked to see that dump continue in the coming days and coming weeks. Bitcoin dominance has gotten to as high as 61%, with Bitcoin almost getting to the $100,000 level. A lot of altcoins have seen huge dump, and because Bitcoin dominance is rising, a lot of people are selling their altcoins into Bitcoin. Right now, we expect to see Bitcoin dominance dumping in the coming days and the coming weeks, and that will help altcoin market. We're seeing Bitcoin ETF break $100 billion. Guys, these are crazy good news. These are the kind of news you want to be seeing at the top of the market, because a lot of retail investors will see all this good news, and all they do, they will buy more Bitcoin. But smart investors that you guys are, I know you'll be selling right now because you bought when we were down in Goblin Town. You bought when Bitcoin was trading around $15,000, $20,000, maybe even $30,000. It's been a long journey. I've been holding Bitcoin over the last 2 years, but if you're still holding right now, guys, this would be a good time to take some profits off the table. The Bitcoin bull run doesn't last forever. I probably don't even believe we're in the bull market. I believe we're in a gigantic bull trap. We're in the end of Bitcoin super cycle that started way back in 2010, and we're getting ready for one big dump to Goblin Town that might see Bitcoin even going lower than $15,000. That might sound crazy. Bitcoin is near $100,000. Everybody's celebrating. Why am I talking about $15,000? Bitcoin has gone up 530% over the last 2 years, guys. That's a good return. But in this rally Bitcoin has had, we have not had more than a 30+% dump to Goblin Town. Well, 30% dump to Goblin Town mean for Bitcoin right now, that will see Bitcoin going to the $68,000 level. And that's very possible. That can happen very quickly. I just showed you how MicroStrategy dumped by around that same percent in one day. A 30% dump can happen when the stock or the cryptocurrency is very volatile. The last 24 hours, I've seen a lot of liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has accounted for around $114 million worth of those liquidation. Total liquidation is coming in at $388 million. More than 115,000 traders have been liquidated. The largest liquidation happened on Binance. One trader was liquidated for $10.6 million. He was betting that the price of Bitcoin will get to $98,000, and here we are, Bitcoin trading at $99,000. He has gotten liquidated. Bitcoin exchange traded fund now collectively manage $104 billion and on track to surpass gold ETF in net asset. Gold ETF in net asset is up $121 billion. Bitcoin's spot ETFs are already in the $104 billion region. I'll not be shocked if we pass gold today. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin is rallying towards $100,000. Do you believe we'll see the $100,000 level, or do you think we'll just fall short of that $100,000 level? Bitcoin's market cap has rallied above all the significant level we talked about, the $1.46 trillion level, the $1.72 trillion level, and the $1.84 trillion level. Right now, Bitcoin sits around $1.96 trillion. That's an all-time high for Bitcoin's market cap. That's an all-time high for Bitcoin's price against the US dollar. But guys, Bitcoin has not still set new all-time highs against gold. I'll still keep shouting it till we see Bitcoin set new all-time highs against gold. This is just a bull trap. We are still in a bear market. Against gold, Bitcoin is just trading where it was trading in April of 2021, November of 2021, even though we have surpassed where we were trading in March of 2024. If Bitcoin have a dump to Goblin Town, that might be the end of the rally. If Bitcoin have a dump to Goblin Town and we see the altcoin market going crazy, that might be the signal that the game is over. But right now, we're cheering for Bitcoin getting to $100,000. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Would that $100,000 Bitcoin price come in November of 2024, December of 2024? Maybe, just maybe, we'll wait to 2025 to see it. I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.